Dero Valiente. Moving up, China Girl. Then on the outside, Run Like the Wind. Terry Toon. Pivotal is by Darrell and on the outside, Maximum Exposure, Dream Maker. Then moving up alongside is entry number 10. And that's runner number 11, D of Jade. Followed now by the rail by entry number 6, Dugos Pet Reclamador. Third last. Second last, Holy King and Graceful Conqueror is racing in 14th. Valiente is still in command as they turn to the final 400. Moving up to take second, Run Like the Wind. China Girl is on the outside. Terry Toon with the last 150 more to run. It's still Valiente. China Girl moving up on the outside and Run Like the Wind. And leading the finish line, it's now China Girl. And finally, China Girl, Run Like the Wind, close between Terry Toon, Valiente. Then comes Dugos Pet and Maximum Exposure. And number 5, Holy King for your super size, close with master's degree.